This is Group 3's presentation. So on this page are all the questions, Statistics Canada, and A, B, C, and D. Question 6, Part A. Numbers that can be represented with positive integers are 2,249,000 births from the year 1961 to 66, 1,704,000 births from the year 1996 to 2001, 539,000 immigrants from the year 1961 to 66, and 1,051,000 immigrants from the year 1996 to 2001. Numbers that can be represented with a negative integers are 731,000 deaths from the year 1961 to 66, 1,095,000 deaths from the year 1966 to 2001, 280,000 immigrants from the year 1961 to 66, 270,000 immigrants from the year 1996 to 2001. Births and immigrants are positive integers because they add to the population. Deaths and immigrants are negative integers because they decrease the population. Question 6, Part B. 2,249,000 plus 1,704,000 equals 3,953,000 births. So therefore, there was a gain of 3,953,000 people. Deaths, 1,095,000 plus 731,000 equals 1,826,000. Therefore, there is a decrease of 826,000 people. Immigrants, 539,000 plus 1,051,000 equals 1,590,000. Therefore, there was an addition of 1,590,000 people. Immigrants, 280,000 plus 270,000 equals 550,000 people. Therefore, there's a decrease of 550,000 people. For all the columns, we added the numbers up to find out how many deaths/births/immigrants/emigrants there were for each time span. For the births and immigrants, we wrote them as positive integers because they were a gain in the population. For deaths and immigrants, we wrote them as negative integers because they were a loss in the population. Question 6, Part C and D. Time period from 1961 to 1966. There were 731,000 deaths, so therefore it is a negative integer, and we put it on the negative side of the number line. For immigrants, it was 280,000 immigrants, so therefore we put it on the negative side of the number line because there was a loss of 280,000 people. And this is the 0. Immigrants, there's 539,000 immigrants, so therefore we put it on the positive side of the number line. And there's 2,249,000 births from the year 1961 to 1966, so that's why it is on the positive side of the number line. We placed the deaths and the immigrants on the negative side of the number line because that means you lose in population, therefore it is a negative. We placed the births and immigrants on the positive side of the number line because they are increases in population. The relationship between births and deaths is that they are opposites. Question 6, Part D continued. Since there was an increase of 539,000 immigrants and a decrease of 280,000 immigrants, the relationship between the immigrants and emigrants is that they are opposite integers. This is the ending of our presentation. Thank you for listening.